Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best self-cleaning litter boxes available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tired of scooping litter or just want to upgrade your cat's hygiene, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Automatic Cat Litter Box by Segamus. This model is perfect for cat owners who want a user-friendly, open-style design that accommodates cats of all sizes. The sleek gray finish is modern and clean, blending seamlessly into any home decor. Its standout feature is the Smart App Control, which allows you to monitor and manage cleaning cycles remotely, receiving real-time updates on your smartphone. The anti-pinch feature ensures your cat's safety during operation, making it ideal for households with curious cats. Performance-wise, the Segamus Litter Box delivers quiet operation, which is perfect for light sleepers or noise-sensitive pets. The open design helps reduce stress for your cat, making it a great option for first-time users of automated litter boxes. Maintenance is also a breeze, thanks to the drum design that lifts easily for cleaning. However, the lack of a sealed waste compartment means odor control may not be as advanced as other models on this list. Overall, the Segamus Litter Box is a solid choice for single-cat households or owners who value simplicity and safety. Its open design is inviting, but it may not provide the odor management needed for multi-cat homes. On the downside, the price isn't listed, so you'll need to check its availability online. Pros include the easy-to-use app, quiet operation, and safety features, while cons include limited odor control and lack of enclosed waste management. Coming in at number 4 is the Fumoy Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This model is perfect for multi-cat households thanks to its massive 95 liters litter drum and 15 meters sealed waste compartment. The high-capacity design allows for extended use, making it a great option for busy families or frequent travelers. It's compatible with both clumping and silica-based litters, offering versatility no matter your cat's preference. The app-controlled functionality lets you schedule cleaning cycles, track litter usage, and receive real-time alerts about full bins. Safety is a priority with the Fumoy Litter Box, as it features advanced infrared motion sensors that pause cleaning when your cat is nearby. The removable, washable liner makes maintenance simpler and reduces long-term costs, a great perk for eco-conscious buyers. However, at 13.2 pounds, this unit is heavier than some other options, which might make repositioning it more challenging. Additionally, while quiet, its night mode might not completely eliminate disruption for highly noise-sensitive users. In summary, the Fumoy Self-Cleaning Litter Box is an excellent choice for multi-cat homes that need a durable and efficient solution. Its large capacity and smart app integration make it highly convenient, but the heavier build and slightly noisier operation may not work for everyone. Pros include its high-capacity design, removable liner, and app features, while cons include its bulky size and moderate noise levels during operation. At number 3, we have the Quickspe Self-Cleaning Litter Box for multiple cats. This model is built for households with 2 or more cats, supporting cats from 2.5 pounds to 30 pounds. Its fully automated sifting system separates clumps into a 12-liter sealed waste compartment, ensuring odor-free operation for up to 15 days. The open-top entry design is both spacious and inviting, making it perfect for cats who dislike enclosed spaces. The sleek gray finish adds a touch of modern style to your home, and the leak-proof tracking mat helps maintain clean floors. One of its standout features is the dual safety system, combining infrared sensors and weight detection to pause cleaning instantly when your cat is nearby. The app control allows you to monitor usage patterns, track litter levels, and adjust cleaning schedules remotely. While its performance is impressive, the unit's weight at 28.9 pounds makes it the heaviest on our list, which could be a drawback for those who need to move it frequently. The Quickspe Self-Cleaning Litter Box is ideal for multi-cat homes that need heavy-duty odor management and safety features. However, its larger size and weight might not be suitable for smaller homes or users looking for a more compact solution. Pros include its excellent odor control, dual safety sensors, and app functionality, while cons include its bulky design and higher weight. At number 2, we have the UpFaz Automatic Cat Litter Box Self-Cleaning. This model is specifically designed for medium-sized cats and kittens, making it a great choice for households with younger or smaller pets. The ultra-quiet operation, with noise levels below 35 dB, ensures a peaceful environment for both your cat and your home. Key features include smart app integration that allows you to monitor your pet's weight, usage patterns, and health in real time, providing valuable insights for proactive care. The UpFaz litter box also prioritizes safety with its anti-pinch design, which prevents injury during operation. Maintenance is straightforward. Its fully washable drum simplifies cleaning, and the intuitive design ensures you won't need to wrestle with complicated parts. While the odor management is adequate, it lacks a sealed waste compartment, which may require more frequent emptying compared to other models on this list. Overall, the UpFaz litter box is a fantastic choice for single cat households or families with kittens. It's quiet, easy to maintain, and highly intuitive, but its lack of advanced odor control may not be suitable for multi-cat homes. Pros include its quiet operation, smart app features, and safety design, while cons include limited odor management and smaller capacity. And taking the top spot at number 1 is the Kit Plus Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This premium model is a crowd favorite for multi-cat households, offering a spacious, open-top design that cats naturally love. Its user-friendly layout is perfect for first-time users of smart litter boxes, reducing stress and making transitions smooth for your feline friends. The 10L waste bin allows up to 14 days of hassle-free operation for a single cat, while the odor-free waste disposal system keeps your home smelling fresh. What sets the Kit Plus apart is its advanced safety sensors. 3 pairs of infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors that instantly detect your cat's presence and pause operation. The app control lets you monitor your cat's bathroom habits, adjust cleaning settings, and receive real-time alerts. With an ultra-quiet operation under 20 decibels, it's perfect for light sleepers and noise-sensitive pets. The inclusive design also caters to cats of all sizes, from tiny kittens to large adults, making it a one-size-fits-all solution. The Kit Plus Self-Cleaning Litter Box combines premium features with ease of use, making it the top choice for any cat owner. It's reliable, safe, and built to last. Pros include excellent odor management, multi-cat compatibility, and quiet operation, while cons may include its higher price compared to budget options. At $288.99, it offers fantastic value for its range of features. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.